Hi, I'm Ruthie Dahle and welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my tips and tricks on how I get, those commercial shampoo commercial hair. How you get that, I will share with you, and on a budget as well. I mean, you can't get better than that. So let's just get right into the video. So first of all, I just want to tell you a little bit about my hair type. So I have naturally more curly hair. So I have beach waves. That's what my hair naturally is like, but with a little bit more frizz. So I obviously do straighten my hair and or curl it if that's what I want. Now I know that people don't want to go through that hassle, but that's what I do and that's what works for my hair. So if you don't want to do that, then you can still keep watching and then implement some of these tips and tricks to your hair still, because it's gonna be helping your hair become healthier. So my hair is also really heavy so that my curls don't stay, like my natural curls, they don't stay. And I know that the more you straighten your hair, the less curls you will have, because your hair adapts to what you do to your hair, and I understand that. But even before I started straightening my hair, my curls would not stay. It's beachy waves, but it's being weighed down by my heavy hair, and I know it doesn't look like I have heavy hair, but I do, and I have thick hair as well. So my hair specifically don't want to be treated as if it is curly hair. It hates being treated like that. Any curly hair product I put in my hair, it hates it. So it only wants hair products designed for straight hair or something that isn't specifically made for curly hair. That's what my hair prefers, and it becomes so much healthier and so much better when I treat it as if it is straight hair. Now I do straighten my hair 2 to 3 times a week, and I know that's a lot, but that depends on how often I wash my hair. And I do wash my hair anything from 2 to 3 times a week, so I usually do it every 3rd day. That's what I found works with me. Now my hair can go longer than that without showering or washing it, but I do work out as well, and I want to get some of the sweat out of my scalp because I don't want that lingering there and building up. I just want to get that out of the way so I can have like really beautiful, silky smooth, healthy hair all of the time, and I don't want to have greasy hair. Let's start at the beginning of my hair care steps, I guess. So the first thing I do take, and I've been taking this for years, it's B vitamins. And it doesn't matter what brand as long as they work as B vitamins. Now mine is B complex, so it has more than just B6 and B12. It is 8 different B vitamins in this one. B vitamins, they help strengthen your hair and your nails, and it's good for your skin as well. So it's good for overall your whole body. And it helps with hair loss if that's something you suffer from, or if you feel like your hair is kind of falling out more than normally and you don't have a hair disease, then B vitamins actually might help you. Now you're not going to see a miracle right away because B vitamins take time, so you need to take it over time, and I usually just take 1 little pill every day. That's like 1 pill a day, that's all you need. So for my hair masks that I do once a week, I would usually go for coconut oil. That's one of the things that I do use. So I would just put that all over my hair. I make sure I stand in front of a mirror when I do this, and I will warm the coconut oil so it's liquid, and I will put that in my hair, and I'll make sure I run my fingers through my hair to make sure I get all of my hair. It doesn't have to be dripping wet. I just want it to be coating all of my hair. That's what I want from scalp to tip. And I usually go for an organic one. Like, I feel like that's the best one. The brand, again, doesn't matter. Just go for an affordable organic coconut oil and put that in your hair. I know that coconut oil may not work for people that have fine straight hair because it will make your hair more greasy, so be aware of that. But it's perfect for people that have curly hair. So that's the one thing that my hair loves, and it's because it gives my hair moisture. And as a person that has naturally curly hair, moisture is something that we lack, and this will help with that. It does for me. Even if I keep my hair natural and I don't straighten it, then this is something that will still help my hair. The other mask that I use, it's flaxseed gel, and I make that from scratch every time. So I usually have some small Ziploc bags in the freezer with the portioned almond milk that I need to put in the mixture. And for the flaxseed gel, you need to have olive oil, you need flax seeds, and you need almond milk. Now, because I buy a big almond milk, I usually portion it up into Ziploc bags and I put that in the freezer so that when I take out a Ziploc bag, it is the right portion for that hair mask that I'm doing that week. I don't take out any more or less than I need. So I mix that all together and I leave it in my hair. Like all of my masks, I always leave it in for 2 or more hours. I don't do less unless I have to, like I have somewhere else to go, but I don't want to do anything less than an hour. Then I will just do my hair mask another day. For when I am in the shower, it doesn't matter if I have used the mask before or hair mask before or I haven't. It doesn't matter. I always do shampoo twice when I have a hair mask in my hair, and then I will only use shampoo once the next time after that. I usually use 2 different shampoos because my hair likes shampoos but my scalp does not. My scalp is very sensitive, so there's only a few brands out there, at least in my country, that I can use. So I will use Define, which is a Scandinavian brand. It's made for Scandinavian hair, and I will use that. Usually I will go for the pink one because it is for getting more volume in your hair, and that my hair loves that shampoo. I ran out of it, so I can't show you. The next one that I use is Herbal Essences or whatever you herbal essences. I think it's essences. Which one I choose is normal in this kind of bottle. That's the one I prefer. And I will usually, again, choose something with the pink label just because I find that my hair prefers the pink labels. I don't know what it is. This one just happened to be white grapefruit. I always do look for shampoos without silicone, which is more normal to find now anyways. But I just find that's better for my hair, so I would just usually use a shampoo like that one. The next thing I would do in my hair is put conditioner. Now, my hair prefers thick conditioners. It doesn't like the thin ones. And I know that thick conditioners tend to weigh down the hair. It doesn't do that in my case. I know the difference. But I usually go for Garnier's Garnier Fruit. That's what I'm gonna call it. This one just happened to say Goodbye Damage, and I don't buy it for that. I buy it for the scent itself, which is, what fruit is it? It looks like peach, but this is what it looks like, the bottle. This is what I will use, and I will put that in my hair, but I will only apply it to my ends, so I bring it all the way up to my neck and it stops there. So for me, I shampoo all of my hair. I know I focus it on the scalp and then just wash it out in my hair, and then but for my conditioner, I focus it on my, well, loose hair, so up into my neck. That's where I will put conditioner because that needs to be focused in the tips. That's where it's gonna get the better use. So I would just leave that in for about a minute. I don't leave it in for any more than that. My hair just absolutely love this. Now I buy this for the thickness as well as the scent because I feel like you need a hair that smells good. And so I will do my hair like that. I will wash it, rinse it out, and I will just leave it, and then when I get out of the shower, I will blow dry my hair almost right away, just because I want to get it as dry as possible. Now, because I blow dry my hair poofs up, obviously. So after that, I will straighten my hair, and I have to straighten my hair the same day as I have washed it. I cannot wait till the next day because then the oils will start to build up in my scalp or start to get back into my hair. I won't have oily or greasy hair, but when you lock it in with a straightener, I can feel the difference. You may not see the difference, but I can feel the difference. So I will always straighten my hair the same day I shower. So if it is too late for me to shower and straighten my hair, I will wait until the next morning for me to shower or wash my hair. When I'm done straightening my hair, I will usually put an oil in my hair. So I have L'Oreal Paris Elvital Extraordinary Oil, and this looks like that one. Now you can have the one with white tap. That's the one I prefer because it is vanilla scented. This is just normal scented. It smells amazing. It works great. Now I usually divide my hair in half down the middle, and I use 3 pumps for this side of the hair and then 3 pumps for this side of the hair. So I usually put that in my hair. I put that in my hand, massage it around a little bit, and then start putting it everywhere in my hair. Even towards my scalp, I will get it. Just, I won't focus it in my scalp, but I will get my scalp as well, because I feel like my whole hair could benefit from having oil in it. It won't make my hair greasy or anything like that, and I can use it between washes as well. It's not just after I washed it. If I need it for the next day, I can put more in my hair. But what I do after that is I don't brush through my hair. I put the oil in, I leave it. But then I get this one. Now this is just a bottle that I have, but it's diluted conditioner. So it is this conditioner mixed with water in a bottle, and you want it to be sprayable. You don't want to struggle with the spray. So I just have a spray container for that. And the reason why I have that is because I like to have more conditioner on my ends, but I will put it all over my hair and I will just spray it and make sure I get like the inside of my hair as well. And then I just get a little bit, and you just want your hair to be like not soaking wet with this. You just want a few sprays here and there, because this will help with detanglements with your hair throughout between washes, but also this helps with keeping your hair smelling amazing. That's why I like a conditioner that smells wonderful. After I put the conditioner spray in, I will obviously brush out my hair, maybe flip it a little bit upside down and do that, and just make sure that everything doesn't settle when as flat hair. So I will flip it upside down, I will shake through my hair and make sure everything is where it needs to be, and that way my hair won't settle flat as well when I do that, flip my hair upside down. So this is how you get that shampoo commercial hair on a budget. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked the video, please leave a like and a comment, and if you want more content like this, then please hit the subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye!